Good morning, greetings and salutations, itsHadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. It is Saturday, the sun is shining, and I am rearing to go to get the day started and go thrifting and see what we can find today. I'm sure there are tons of treasures waiting for us, so hope you guys are all having a good day so far too, BTW. I'm in the car right now, like I said. I have my new phone, which I'm so excited about. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, go check it out. I did an unboxing, and I just did a little like comparative thing with the camera for recording video to show you guys like kind of the difference between the 3 different lenses that are on there. If you guys want a more comprehensive review, let me know. I kind of posted some shots too also on Instagram, so if you guys don't already follow me there, check it out. I put everything in my stories. That's also where I put all of my sales and stuff for in the shop. But also, if you guys are interested in anything, itsHadrian.com. I did just do an update last night with some brand new stuff. But yeah, so with that being said, let's get started with our day, and hope you guys are ready to go thrifting. Let's go. Alright, you guys, our first stop, the Goodwill. Let's go inside. I'm so excited. I hope we find something super cool. I still can't believe they moved the bags. Every time I come in here, I'm like, well, where did the bags go? But let's check out what they have that they just brought out in this cart. Okay, there wasn't anything really too exciting inside the cart, but I wanted to see what they had here in the little Halloween section. They have like a Shazam thing. Random stuff in here. These little wreaths are cute, but they're so tiny. This would actually be cute if you put a hurricane in the middle and put it on a table and with a candle inside. That'd be really pretty. Oh, Thor's hammer. Got some baskets, pumpkin containers. This is actually kind of cool. I wonder how much these are. Oh, $17.99. And drop this. Tattoos. Okay, that eagle is pretty epic looking. There's a cool little turtle shell right there as well. Little carousel. These are actually kind of cute. Little placemats. I kind of like these blue ones. I think there's 4 in each, so I can get 8. These are like legit kind of cute. I think I'm gonna have to get all of them and just think about which colors I want, because I definitely want to be able to do the whole table with 8. And these are super cute. I really like the colors. They still have this outdoor sofa set. Oh, this is actually pretty cute. This bamboo set. This is nice. You guys, I need help. Do I need this outdoor? Okay, so I wanted to try filming with a wide angle lens on the phone because I'm thinking about using this while I'm out at the stores, because it's just so much easier to carry and everything's kind of just consolidated into one thing. So I don't know, we're trying it out. Let's see how we like it, and let me know what you guys think down below. But we're just here in the dinnerware section trying to see if I can find anything cool. I did, you know what, that table that I showed you guys earlier, I did end up getting it. I had to purchase it. It was so cute. I sent pictures to Mom. I posted something on Instagram. Everyone pretty much voted yes. Mom voted yes. And you know, Mom's pretty much the deciding factor, and I already loved it. I was already ready to buy it. So this is actually super cute. Too bad it's $2.99 though. Can you imagine this like for a fall table setting? This would be so cute. This would actually look really cute on that bamboo table. Oh my gosh, they have like a whole set. Look at that. That is Oh my gosh. Let's see how it looks with like the little, yeah, that looks pretty nice. Man, that is pretty cute. Okay, but that's a little expensive. We're just gonna keep looking. This is really cute too. I keep looking at this little, oh, coffee shop crate and barrel. Cute. I just love how wide the angle is on this thing because I'm like super close to everything, but it's still showing you guys a good view of what I'm looking at, which is why I really like this. Oh, this is so cute. I remember when they had these at Pottery Barn, but these are actually from Target. That is a little creamer. So cute. This cake stand is actually pretty nice too. This is also from Target. Yep. Super cute. You guys, I'm like completely loving the camera. Sorry I keep gushing over it. It's just such a huge difference. I've actually been thinking about getting a more wide angle lens for my camera. But if I can just use the phone to film, then that would be truly amazing. And then I can use the camera for like other things if I'm like filming a video at home or something. Or more like sit down stuff. I don't know. You guys tell me. Oh, this is Le Creuset. It's pretty rusted though. Okay, so I'm in the toy section right now and I just found this like Magic Bean launching, or Mighty Beans like launching thing. Eliza, I got Eliza another version of this that came with like, a holster and a whole something. He really likes it, and Zach also really liked it, so I think I might get this. This is really cute. It's $5. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Let's see what else we can find over here in the toys. Pokey Dokie. I always see this, and every time I see it, I think of like Pokey, like the food with the fish to eat. Bunchums. Actually, this is probably pretty fun. Eliza would probably actually like that. He loves like building stuff. Oh no, it's a Thomas the Train. I think I actually got him one of these from the thrift store. This battery operated. Well, he definitely doesn't need one of those because I'm pretty sure I got him that exact thing already. Taking a look through the shoes. Some Converse. Hi, how are you doing today? Good, thank you. Some Michael Kors wedges. These are $7.99. These are like Calvin Klein. Okay, so here we are in the furniture. I'm actually tasked with finding, they're kind of like those square cubby bookshelvy things for the kids' room. Kind of like those ones that they sell at IKEA, but I know they have them at Target too, and I've seen them in the store numerous times. Look at this chair. I know I'm not looking at cubbies right now, but saw that chair. I wanted to take a look at it. Well, let's go over here. They usually have like the boxed furniture. This stuff is actually really great too. Look at that. It has like a built-in charging thing. Here it is over here. Look at that. That's actually pretty nice. This is very West Elmish. West Elm has something very, very similar. I also like that desk. That's such a really cute desk. So now I just have to look through these boxes and see if I can find one of those. Okay, this is a double cube organizer. So this is almost what we're looking for. I'm looking for at least a 6. Preferably 2. 6 cube ones. Let's go to the other side. Oh, those little skates. You guys, they have my bench. This is called the this is the Birkin tufted bench right here. They have it for $80. This is the one that I have by the front door. It was 150, or it's currently 150 in the store. I think I got mine for like, I think 40 something dollars. But this one's also still brand new in box. Mine was already open, but it was in fantastic shape. Wait, was mine open? I take it back. I don't remember, but I remember it being like $40. Curtain rod. These are like for cars, right? Okay, let's try filming the handbags with this wide angle lens. They have this is a Coach metallic, pretty worn though, so don't think we're gonna be getting this, but Coach nonetheless. Victoria's Secret, the lips on the bag. Yellow Kolhan. Here's a view of the store. The store is huge. I wanted to come to the Foliage, the faux foliage section. They also have some of the holiday decor here. A lot of Christmas stuff popping up already. These are actually a pretty color. It's like a navy blue. These are $10. They also have a bunch of Instapots. These are $50. Alright, just got everything inside the car. Now to the post office and to the bank. Alright, you guys, right now I'm in 2nd Street. I'm looking at the stuff that they have. See if there's anything cute. Cute Coach right there. There's a Michael Kors Selma for $89. Oh, this is a nice Michael Kors. $89 though, that's pricey. Victoria's Secret. Here's a long chomp, $50. Alright, you guys, our next destination is Crossroads. Let's go inside and see what we can see. Oh, this shirt is so cute. Okay, let's check out the handbags and see if we can find anything exciting. Kind of looks a little hot messish. Looks like some bunch of people came by here looking through the bags. This Kate Spade is cute. I think I remember it from before. It has a lot of wear to the corners though. There's this red Mark by Mark. Let's see, Tommy Hilfiger, Alib Skinned, Emma Fox. There's a Marc Jacobs right here, $37.50. Oh, that is really dirty in the inside. Yikes. This mark is cute, but there's major denim transfer on the back. Ooh, this little backpack is kind of fun. And this Dooney and Burke with the candy design. What do we have up here? VS Piga, Bakie. There's this Dooney, 42. Got Coach. Seems to be a lot of bags, but nothing really too exciting. There's this Coach that's half off, but it's damaged right there. Alright, you guys, our next stop, another Crossroads store. Let's go inside, check it out. Alright, you guys, I just got everything inside the car. Let's go home, and yeah, this is gonna be an eventful ride today. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It was, I mean, all things considered, it was still a blast. I had a lot of fun going out, and it was actually really nice to like having like a pleasant experience with AAA. Like, I know anyone's car, like your car breaking down is awful, but I mean, on the brighter side, it wasn't as awful as it could have been. So I was very thankful for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye! Okay guys, so I'm out here looking at what I have in terms of decor.